Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, friends, I have really important information to share. This is the like end of the year around. So many of them are releasing the reports of how 2023 have been and how 2024 will be. Okay, so the demand skills, the job openings, and how's the growth so far, how it is going to grow in 2024, everything is shared. So recently, I caught eyes in couple of articles where it says the demand skills and about 36 percentage of growth rates expected in this domain, whereas the others is only about to have 5 percentage of job role, I mean the growth rate, okay, job role openings. So I'm talking about the data science domain. You know how AI is advancing, and if you are in IT sector, if you want to move in IT sector, it is very important that you should be in domain which is closely working with AI. Okay, machine learning and AI. So it's very important that you should understand this trend and you have to proceed. And when it comes to this era, 2024 and 2023, it is not about which graduation you did. Even if you have the non batch, I mean, if you are a non IT batch, okay, still with respect to the skill, just with the skill you can advance, and there are many opportunities to get skills. And I want to share with you one precise opportunity which will give you end to end support, like from the basics, from the counting 1 2 3 level to getting a job in data science. I have an opportunity to share. Okay, so I want you to really go through the different articles that is available in internet. And if you just see the salary negotiation for data scientists, I mean, this is the average pay, and this is just the average pay. Okay, you can even get more or that, because the demand in the industry for this particular job role or the skills are insane. You can see the 10 most demand skills in 2024, sorted by Forbes, is generative AI, sustainability skills, project management, communication skill, clinical health skills, data science, interpersonal network, cloud computing, machine learning, cyber security skills. So most of them are related to AI. Okay, so there are different job roles under AI, that is collectively domain data science, data scientist, data analytics, data engineer, many job roles. Okay, so let me share you one of the opportunity which will help you to get the data science job role. So this is provided by Audin School. Audin School is not new for you. I know, guys, that you know about Audin School because they have been successful in bringing lot of people to the industry. Okay, main highlight is that no matter if you are IT background, no matter if you're non-IT background, no matter if you belong to current trending batch 2022 or 2023, if you are from any batch, you can be a part of this. If you're working in non-IT branch but still you want to switch your career into that, you can. If you, I mean, there is no restrictions for that. It's just that you want to be passionate about learning this, you want to get into it. Okay, so let's go through here the details provided. So they are about to start a data science course. Okay, it's a boot camp. Don't worry about this fees and all. I'll tell you about the discount details and all that. So upcoming cohort is on 30th December. So when you go through these details, you will find a pretty good number of people sharing their experience. See, 88% salary hike, 6 year gap, still got job in data science, former dietitian switching their complete career, and there are many of it. Okay, so this is it. This is what they're providing. They have 500 plus hiring partners, 8 lps to 38, 5 lps is the package gap they are providing. Okay, and these are the job roles, everything, everything. The highlight part is that this website contains everything related to data scientists, right? Is the job roles, what you need to learn to be there, what they are providing, everything. Okay, so resume building, mock interviews, behavioral skills, unlimited job opportunities, industry interaction, online profile building, everything is provided. Okay, and if you just go through, they have mentioned the curriculum that you'll be following and how things will be and all those details. Okay, so it's a 6 months cohort and you will be getting all the benefits of how the things will be like complete course, and how you can get a job, that kind of interpersonal skills also they will be helping you to get. Okay, so 75,000 plus GST is the amount, but don't worry, you will have pretty good amount of discounts. How the discounts is that by scholarships. Okay, that means once you apply to it, you need to attend a test. So once you go through the test, and if you pass with respect to the performance of the test, you will be getting the discount, and it varies from person to person. Okay, so everyone, I want you to apply to this, and at least go through the website and understand the facts and understand the things, and then decide it by yourself. Once you go through, once you get through it, just tell in the comment section, and we are very eager to know that how much scholarship that you got and how many of you got the scholarship with this. Okay, so just put that in comment section. And one important thing is this I found, because if you wish to withdraw from bootcamp within first 10 days from start date, your fees will be fully refunded. So this is actually a great opportunity that you can join. Okay, if you have confusions or something like that, you just join. Okay, and you have 10 days of time. 10 days you be in class and see how they are proceeding. If you find it unsatisfactory, then just withdraw. You will get a whole of your amount refund. Know where your money is going. And if you find it very fruitful and this will help you like that, if you found it, then go ahead. Your career is obviously going to have a kickstart. Okay, so no cost EMI option is there. If you can't pay the amount in full, then you can opt for no cost EMI, like 3 months, 6, 9, 12 months and all that and all. So if you want to know more of the details, like in specific how things will be and all that, they have contact options. You can contact them as well. And these are the mentors, and mentors are directly from industry, which is, they're working with the top companies in the world, so they will be able to guide you thoroughly, like how the industry is, how proceeding, and how you have to be if you want to be in tomorrow, I mean tomorrow's and all that. Okay, so this is the very basic details about them, and how you have to apply to that is provided here. So you can click on this reserve your seat at 5,000 rupees. So your options is pretty here. Now about the registration process, you will be giving your name. So now I'm giving something like this just to show you how it works. And then your mail address also you have to give, then give your phone number, like how it is. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And your graduation year, you can just select it from here, how it is, like 2023, after, before. Okay, I'm just like selecting some random numbers here, and then we'll be clicking on pay and GST. Okay, so once done that, you will have this option to use your card, UPI banking, net banking, however it is. So why it is showing 5,900 is that I choose that option. Okay, and I choose that option in the sense here. See, I'm just reserving it with this 5 amount and then paying it the remaining amount later. Or if you want to make the full payment, you can just select this and go to your registration process. The counselor will be reaching out to you. You can reach out to them and get all your queries done. So I'm again repeating, this is not only for IT sector. If you are non-IT batches, if you're IT batches, if you belong to any of the current working but still want to switch your career to data science related job roles, you can do it. Okay, so if you want to know how they are doing and how they have impacted the life of people, you can just scroll the down way and click on the success story section and proceed. Because before getting into this, if you're planning to get into this, I want you to understand how the people have worked with this, how they have got their transformation of their career with this Auden platform. Because if you find it satisfactory only, you need to go for this. Okay, so that's the pretty good details I want to share it you, because don't want you to wait for your career, because it's very important, guys. It's very important to know the trend and go for it. I'm not forcing you. You can just, I request you to go to these websites and understand the details. From there, it is your wish and it is your sensibility, or it is your, demand, or it is your urge to go for it or not. Okay, so just know the details before making the decision. Okay, so I hope the details are pretty much clear. If you have signed up for them and if you got the benefits and all that, let me know that in comment section, so that we will be very happy to know that you could make it to it. I mean, what the details we bought to you, you could make the good out of it. Okay, so that's all, guys. Until I bring back with another opportunity, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.